In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify Flowchart connectors in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira. To get started, open the Confluence page or Jira issue that contains the Draw.io flowchart diagram where you want to make changes to the connectors. In this example, I'll be using Confluence, but the overall process is very similar in Jira as well. The goal here is to access the diagram so you can customize how the connector lines look and behave. Once you're inside the page editor, locate the Draw.io flowchart you want to update. Click to select the diagram and you should see a floating toolbar appear. On that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open a pop-up and launch the Draw.io diagram editor directly inside Confluence. This is where you'll be able to work on the flowchart elements in more detail. After the editor opens, click on the connector you want to modify. If you only need to change one line, selecting it individually is the easiest option. But if you want to update all connectors in the diagram at once, use the keyboard shortcut Control, Shift, and E. That will help you quickly select all connectors, which can save a lot of time if you're standardizing the look of your flowchart. Now move your attention to the Format panel on the right side of the editor. In that panel, click Line to expand the available connector settings. This section gives you control over a wide range of line formatting options. You'll see a drop-down for line style where you can adjust how the connector appears visually. You can also change the color, the line connection style, and the line waypoint behavior. In addition to that, there are separate drop-down menus for the line start and line end point styles. These options are useful if you want to add arrowheads or other endpoint designs to better show direction or flow. You can also adjust the thickness of the line, the size of the start and end points, and the spacing for both the beginning and end of the connector. These settings are especially helpful when you want your diagram to be easier to read or more visually consistent. Take a moment to preview your changes as you apply them so you can make sure the connectors match the style you want for your flowchart. And that's it. That's how you modify flowchart connectors in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira.